Music is a piece of art that goes in the ears and straight to the heart. A very warm and pleasant morning to one and all present here. Respected Reverend Father, Principal Sir, Headmistress Ma'am, Academic Coordinator Ma'am, teachers, parents, and fellow students. I'm Ashi Sharma of class 11th E. I'm going to be your host for today, along with Arjun Ehlawat of 11D, Sanya Gerol of 11C, and Kanak Tyagi of 11B. A year and a half ago, our school began online classes in view of the ongoing pandemic, and hence began the story of limited interaction with peers and teachers. Also, negligible involvement in cultural activities made us socially inactive. But today is the day to give our daily routine, studies, and books a break and uplift our spirit, which, to be honest, got drowned in our monotonous schedule. This day is going to be marked with recreational fun and making ourselves aware of the incredible abilities that many of us are hiding. Now, I'd like Arjun to take over.
Welcome to the Cultural Festival, the Festival of Joy. A day without prayer is a day without blessing, and a life without prayer is a life without power. So, before starting the event, I would like to call upon Betsy of class 11th for prayer.
Good morning, everyone. Please get ready for the morning prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Bless the Lord of my soul, oh my soul. I worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. I worship Your holy name. The sun comes up, it's a new day's dawning. It's time to sing your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me, let me be singing till the evening comes. Bless the Lord of my soul, oh my soul. I worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. I worship Your holy name. You're rich in love and You're slow to anger. Your name is great and Your heart is kind. For all Your goodness, I will keep on singing. 10,000 reasons for my heart to find. Bless the Lord of my soul, oh my soul. I worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. I worship Your holy name. Lord, I worship Your holy name.
Now, Ashka Jain of class 11D is going to say Thought of the Day.
Good morning to everyone. Today's thought of the day is if you think positively, sound becomes music, movement becomes dance, smile becomes laughter, mind becomes meditation, and life becomes a celebration. I repeat my thought if you think positively, sound becomes music, movement becomes dance, smile becomes laughter, mind becomes meditation, and life becomes a celebration. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Ashka. Now, I would like to call upon Neelam ma'am for the welcome speech.
A very pleasant morning and hearty welcome to one and all present here. Reverend Father Saji Abraham, respected Principal Sir, Headmistress Madam, Academic Coordinator Madam, my fellow colleagues, and beloved students of Class 11. First of all, my heartfelt gratitude to Reverend Father and school authorities for understanding the student during this pandemic and providing platform to the students to showcase their diverse talent. It is a matter of pride that our school children are all-rounder. They can do all sorts of creative work. Let it be painting, music, singing, comparing, reciting poem, even photography. I assure you that this program will energize all of us and the day will be filled with joy. Now, I request Academic Coordinator Ma'am Vinita Varghese, to address the gathering.
Just trying to rejoin this. There was no light here. Just give me a minute.
All right, ma'am. Till the time, ma'am, can we have initial slide?
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, all right. So, Reverend Father, Principal Sir, Headmistress Ma'am, teachers, and my dear students, a very, very good morning to all. And as Neela ma'am has already welcomed you, I from my side too welcome all to the Cultural Fest Class 11. Previous to this, we had already conducted the fest with class 8. It's over 9th. We have done 10th and 12th. We had conducted on the same day. And this is the 5th class that we are celebrating the fest with. And we were, when we saw the talents of students of 8, 9, 10, and 12, we all could do nothing but appreciate. I mean, so many plethora of talents you people have, which we never knew. Because of online sessions, we actually didn't come to know that what all you are capable of. But this kind of opportunity, when it comes to our door, knocking at our door, we should all grab it, yes? Right? So I think I heard from one of your teachers that many students have forwarded their videos. So I am really happy to see that you people are not letting your talent waste. So you're grabbing at the opportunities. Children, you must have observed people singing in various competitions. You must have watched so many reality shows on TV. And also you might have seen so many of dance competitions. You must have seen the painters exhibiting their talents. You must have seen the actors in the movie performing so well. At that point of time, you might have thought that at what point of time in their life they had started, how many years of hard work they have put in, how many efforts to reach that level. I mean, one may think like that. And to say the truth, we don't know. If we read the biographies of such personalities, we would know that how much of hard work, how much of time they have put in. But to say the truth, they might have started really pretty well, maybe in the childhood age when they were so young. Maybe they developed their passion at that age. That is why throughout the years they had been working so hard and reached that level of success. So I would say broadly, three categories of people are there. One who realize the talent, or maybe their parents see through it that this child of mine has a talent in singing, dancing, or painting, other than the studies, I mean, extracurricular I'm talking about. They enroll the child into that course, and that child may go to that level, maybe they pursue a career also in that. So this is first kind of, people who really start from a very young age. Then there are those who don't realize it unless someone sees through it. maybe in school, at school level, your teachers are there who see that, okay, this child has this kind of talent. He's good at speaking, he's good at debating, he's good at painting. So opportunities are given to him, and the child participates and then realizes, okay, I'm good at it. And then they try to pursue in that kind of arena.
Ma'am, you're mute in between. Ma'am? Ma'am, it's not audible. You're mute.
I was mute since beginning or just
No, just now, ma'am. I don't know, but how?
So I was saying about the majority of children who do not realize their talent until they pass from the school. Right? So in school they have a lot of opportunities, but they don't come forward. They think, okay, my work, my parents say that just to study, I have to do my study. So you see, there is a common agenda of all children. And what is that common agenda? You all know that you have chosen a particular stream, you have specific subjects to study. Obviously, all have to study, get good percentage, a decent kind of score you need. Everyone expects from you, and that's what you also desire. So that's a common thing. Here I'm talking about your passions and interests other than the academic. Academics are important part of life. To go ahead, you have to pass and have a decent score. That's true. That's the truth. That's a fact. But I'm talking about the other. See, in this kind of time, particularly when we are talking about today's age, when so many children have diverse talents, and I've observed in 8 to 12, when we saw this cultural fest of these classes, we saw so many children who are very good at academics, and also good at dancing and singing and all those things. I mean, they have a good academic background also, plus in this extracurricular also they're excelling. So it's not that you give some time to such things that you will waste your time. It's not wastage. You will gain confidence. Your personality will be of another level if you participate in such things. It's not about winning all the time. It's about participating. Winning may not happen today. It will happen tomorrow, definitely. It will come to your door. Don't worry about that. You can keep on excelling, keep on improving yourself. Keep on honing up your skills, right? So I would say, children, don't expose yourself to diverse opportunities, diverse experiences, so that you realize what is your true potential. You excel and shine and really see that you are good at something. So that can happen when you put yourself to the test. So when teachers ask you, beta, this is what we are having at school level, you see, it's not an inter-school competition. So in inter-school competition, what happens? Out of 10 people who are good at something, we select the best, because when you are participating in inter-school, obviously the best one goes there. But if we have 20 people as options, obviously the best one goes. But at school level, all these 20 can participate, right? All of them. Here we kept it open. So all of you had chance to prove themselves. They are good at something. They have talent to show. Maybe you have the talent, maybe don't want to come forward for that. Or maybe you think it is just school level, so the certificate doesn't matter. I would say that each and every certificate, even a participation certificate at school level though, it will be of great importance. So don't let it go. Just participate, I would say. So thanks to all the children who have done that, because it actually will improve on your confidence level. You'll be more daring, I would say, in these kind of ventures. So I would say all the best to all the participants, those who are participating today, and they must have submitted their videos, but everybody, all the audience will be enjoying your talents, and we also will be taking part and see and appreciate your talent. So all the best for it, and enjoy your day. Today we have kept apart from studies, so put away your books at least till 1 o'clock and enjoy your day, and I hope the teachers and students will have a nice time together. Thank you all, and I'll be there for a few more some more time because there are some nursery interactions going on in school, so I have to be a part of that too. But obviously, I'll be there.
Ma'am, you are again mute.
I'm pressing on the wrong buttons, I think so. Thank you all, and just enjoy the day. Okay, so thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds. Now, let us watch an art documentary created by the students of class 11th.
Art is embedded in nature. The one who can extract it has it. Artists were inspired by the works of the past. The material remains of culture, and ancient texts facilitated as sources to know this. The admiration for figures to be perfectly in proportion made artists to continue the tradition. The knowledge of geometry helped them to understand the perspective. They painted as realistically as possible. By changing the quality of light, pictures acquired a three-dimensional quality. The use of oil as a medium for painting also gave a great richness of color to the paintings. The development of spoken language has been seen closely connected with art, since both are ways of communications. Hundreds of cave paintings from early times have been discovered, which indicates that these served as the media for passing information from one generation to the next. Thus, painting has the power to make inanimate objects to look as if they possess life. It serves not only to enhance beauty but also owns special power of communicating ideas.
That was indeed marvelous. I think this documentary was wholesome to make us understand the importance of art. Now, let us have a look at some drawings created by Ashka Jain of class 11D. Really eye-catching, Ashka.
Poetry is the clear expression of mixed feelings. Now, let us listen to a poem recitation by Palak Anand of class 11E.
आज मैं आप सबके समक्ष जो कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ उसका शीर्षक है प्रकृति कुछ पाठ पढ़ाती है। प्रकृति कुछ पाठ पढ़ाती है मार्ग वह हमें दिखाती है, प्रकृति कुछ पाठ पढ़ाती है। नदी कहती है बहो बहो, जहाँ हो पड़े ना वहाँ रहो, जहाँ गंतव्य वहाँ जाओ, पूर्णता जीवन की पाओ। विश्व गति ही तो जीवन है, अगति तो मृत्यु कहाती है। प्रकृति कुछ पाठ पढ़ाती है। शैल कहते हैं शिखर बनो, उठो ऊंचे तुम खूब तनो, ठोस आधार तुम्हारा हो, विशिष्टीकरण सहारा हो। रहो तुम सदा ऊर्ध्वगामी, ऊर्ध्वता पूर्ण बनाती है। प्रकृति कुछ पाठ पढ़ाती है। वृक्ष कहते हैं खूब फलो, दान के पथ पर सदा चलो, सभी को दो शीतल छाया, पुण्य है सदा काम आया। विनय से सिद्धि सुशोभित है, अकल किसकी टिक पाती है। प्रकृति कुछ पाठ पढ़ाती है। यही कहते रवि शशि चमको, प्राप्त कर उज्ज्वलता दम को। अंधेरे से संग्राम करो, न खाली बैठो काम करो। काम जो अच्छे कर जाते, याद उनकी रह जाती है। प्रकृति कुछ पाठ पढ़ाती है। प्रकृति कुछ पाठ पढ़ाती है। धन्यवाद।
Outstanding. Hindi poems do hit the spot. Now, before proceeding, let us take a glimpse of the events that are going to be presented today. Whoa, we do have a lot to enjoy. Before beginning with the dance competition, I would like to welcome our judges, Ma'am Shalini Paul and Ma'am Rakhi Diwan. Now, let us proceed to the dance competition. Dance is the joy of movement and the heart of life. And dance is like creating a sculpture that is visible only for a moment. So, I would like all of us not to waste any other moment and get ready to watch the beauty of each performance and enjoy the program.
Thank you, Kanu. Now, I would like to call Abhipsa Bose from class 11th A to liven us up with her performance. What a brilliant performance, Abhipsa. That definitely reminded us of the monsoon season. Didn't it, Kanak?
Yes, it did.
So, our next participant is Alishba Ansari from class 11th.
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने नैनों के रंग नैना जाने मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग जग की कोई रीत न जाने मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना
ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਕੱਟਿਆ ਏ 1 ਸਾਲ ਵੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਲੈ ਜਿਆ ਕਰ ਤੂੰ ਸ਼ਾਪਿੰਗ ਮਾਲ ਵੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੀਆਂ ਸਭ ਪਾਰਲਰ ਸਜਦੀਆਂ ਰਹਿੰਦੀਆਂ ਹਾਈ ਹਾਈਲਾਈਟ ਕਰਾ ਦੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਕਾਲੇ ਵਾਲ ਵੇ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਸਜਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਸਾਰੇ ਸੂਟ ਪੁਰਾਣਿਆ ਹਾਏ ਪੁਰਾਣਿਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲਹਿੰਗਾ ਲੈ ਦੇ ਮਹਿੰਗਾ ਜਾ ਮਰ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਐਨੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਦੱਸ ਤੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲਹਿੰਗਾ ਲੈ ਦੇ ਮਹਿੰਗਾ ਜਾ ਮਰ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਐਨੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਦੱਸ ਤੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਵੇ ਮਰ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਵੇ ਮਰ ਜਾਣਿਆ
It's amazing how gracefully Alishba dances. So, what do you think about the performance, Kanak?
It was awesome. I loved the performance. The next participant is Bhavika Gupta from class 11C.
पुराओ माटी रंगाओ आज मेरे पिया घर आवेंगे आज मेरे पिया घर आवेंगे खबर सुनाऊं जो खुशी है बताऊं जो आज मेरे पिया घर आवेंगे आज मेरे पिया घर आवेंगे तेरी सखी मंगल गौरी धरती अंबर सजारी उतरेगी आज मेरे पी की सवारी हरी कोई काजल लाओरी मुहे काला टिक्का लगाओरी उनकी छब से दिखूं मैं
Unbelievable. Mind-blowing, Bhavika. Now, our next participant is Bulbul Singh from class 11E.
हीरे मोती मैं ना चाहूं, मैं तो चाहूं संगम तेरा, मैं तो तेरी सैया तू है मेरा सैया सैया तू जो झूले प्यार से आराम से मर जाऊं, आजा चंदा बाहों में तुझ में गुम हो जाऊं, मैं तेरे नाम में खो जाऊं सैया सैया
दुनिया छूना चाहे मुझको यूं, जैसे उनकी सारी की सारी मैं, दुनिया देखे रूप मेरा, कोई न जाने बेचारी मैं, हाय टूटे तारे की सारी मैं, तेरे इश्क में हुए आवारे मैं, हाय टूटे तारे की सारे मैं, तेरे इश्क में हुए आवारे मैं।
Indeed, a beautiful and entertaining performance by Bulbul. Right, Arjun?
Yes, it was phenomenal.
It was a spectacular performance with different and creative background effects. All credit goes to Rashna ma'am.
For sure, Kanak. Now, our next contestant is Devi Krishna from class 11P.
स्वर्गनंदिनी स्वप्न विकारिणी इष्टदेवते सरस्वती इष्टदेवते सरस्वती स्वर्गनंदिनी स्वप्न विकारिणी इष्टदेवते सरस्वती इष्टदेवते सरस्वती പരമായി നാവിൽ നാദമായി തന്ത്രിയിൽ പരമായി നാവിൽ നാദമായി തന്ത്രിയിൽ പദമായി തൂവലിൽ വാണരുളുക നീ പദമായി തൂവലിൽ വാണരുളുക നീ വാണിമണി വരദായിനി വാണിമണി വരദായിനി स्वर्गनन्दिनी स्वप्नविकारिणी इष्टदेवते सरस्वती इष्टदेवते सरस्वती രാഗവും നീയേ താളവും നീയേ ഭാവവും ലയവും ശ്രുതിയും നീയേ രാഗവും നീയേ താളവും നീയേ ഭാവവും ലയവും ശ്രുതിയും നീയേ കാലം നമിക്കും കേളി കലയിൽ കണികയായി ഞാനാം സ്വരമലിയേണം വാണിമണി വരദായിനി വാണിമണി വരദായിനി സ്വർഗനന്ദിനി സ്വപ്നവികാരിണി ഇഷ്ടദേവതേ सरस्वती इष्टदेवते सरस्वती स्वर्गनन्दिनी सनि धनि धप मगरि
Amazing, Devi Krishna. Isn't it great how people from all the cultures are sharing their talent with us?
Yes, indeed.
So, the next participant is Rishika Singh from class 11th.
कोई जो मिला तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था जैसे मेरी सारी दुनिया में गीतों की रुत और रंगों की बरखा है खुशबू की आंधी है महकी हुई सी अब सारी फिजाएं है महकी हुई सी अब सारी हवाएं है खोई हुई सी अब सारी दिशाएं है बदली हुई सी अब सारी अदाएं है जागी उमंगे है धड़क रहा है दिल सांसों में तूफान है होठों पे नगमे है आंखों में सपने हैं सपनों में बीते हुए सारे वो लम्हे हैं जब कोई आया था नजरों पे छाया था दिल में समाया था कैसे मैं बताऊं तुम्हें कैसा उसे पाया था प्यार से चेहरे पे बिखरी जो जुल्फे तो ऐसा लगता था जैसे घुमर के पीछे एक ओस में धुला हुआ फूल खिला है जैसे बादल में एक चांद छुपा है और झांक रहा है जैसे रात के पर्दे में एक सवेरा है रोशन रोशन आंखों में सपनों का सागर जिसमें प्रेम सितारों की चादर जैसे झलक रही है लहरों लहरों बात करे तो जैसे मोती बरसे जैसे कहीं चांदी की पायल गूंजे जैसे कहीं शीशे के जाम गिरे और छन से टूटे जैसे कोई छिप के सितार बजाए जैसे कोई चांदनी रात में गाए जैसे कोई हौले के पास बुलाए कैसी मीठी बातें थी वो कैसी मुलाकातें थी वो जब मैंने जाना था नजरों से कैसे पिघलते हैं दिल और आरज़ू पानी है कैसे मंजिल और कैसे उतरता है चांद जमीन पर कैसे कभी लगता है स्वर्ग अगर है तो बस यहीं पर उसने बताया मुझे और समझाया मुझे हम जो मिले हैं हमें ऐसे ही मिलना था फूल जो खिले हैं उन्हें ऐसे ही खिलना था जन्मों के बंधन जन्मों के रिश्ते हैं जब भी हम जन्मे तो हम यूं ही मिलते हैं कानों में मेरे जैसे शहद से खुलने लगे ख्वाबों की दर जैसे आंखों में घुलने लगे ख्वाबों की दुनिया भी कितनी हंसी और कैसी रंगीन थी ख्वाबों की दुनिया जो कहने को थी पर कहीं भी नहीं थी ख्वाब जो टूटे मेरे आंख जो खुली मेरी होश जो आया मुझे मैंने देखा मैंने जाना वो जो कभी आया था नजरों पे छाया था दिल में समाया था जा भी चुका है और दिल में रहा है अब तन्हा तन्हा न तो कोई अरमा है न कोई तमन्ना है न कोई सपना है अब जो मेरे दिन और अब जो मेरी रातें हैं उनमें सिर्फ आंसू हैं उनमें सिर्फ दर्द की रंज की बातें हैं और फरियादें हैं मेरा अब कोई नहीं मैं हूँ और खोए हुए प्यार की यादें हैं मैं हूँ और खोए हुए प्यार की यादें हैं मैं हूँ और खोए हुए प्यार की यादें हैं
A stunning performance, Rishika. Was it mesmerizing, Kanak?
Yes, indeed it was. Now, our next participant is Suhani Bharadwaj from class 11E.
नजर जो तेरी लागी मैं दीवानी
Really, the performance was phenomenal, Suhani. The next participant is Tanisha Johari from class 11A. That was wow. I think now I know how hard it is going to be for the judges. It was elegant, right, Arjun?
Yes, it was a nice dance with nice steps. So I would like to proceed. Our next participant
Yes,
is
Peta.
Vanshika
Arjun, before proceeding, we would like now, because we have a principal sir with us, just we want principal sir will address the audience and then we can proceed as sir are busy. Yes, Ashi?
Before proceeding further, I would like to welcome our worthy principal sir to honor this cultural fest.
Okay, then proceed. I think sir is again went somewhere. We can proceed. Arjun, over to you.
Did you have a word with him, Shalini ma'am?
Ma'am, sir gave a thumbs up and then not next to that.
Because he's busy with interactions,
Okay,
possibly
okay.
he has switched on the, this meeting, but actually he's busy with the interactions.
Right, right. Okay, Arjun, proceed. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So our next participant is Vanshika Sharma from class 11th.
Yes, Arjun. Arjun, kindly unmute. Proceed.
Yes, ma'am. That must have been really familiar, as we may find many BTS fans here. Right, Kanak?
You're right. Absolutely right.
Now, our next participant is Vanshika Sharma, who is also an NCC cadet from class 11th.
कण्ठे नालम्बयेत् गीतम् हस्तेन अर्धं प्रदर्शयेत् चक्षुभ्यां दर्शयेत् भावम् पादाभ्यां ताळम् आचरेत् కొలువైయున్నాడే
Along with being an NCC cadet, she managed to showcase her brilliant talent. Absolutely superb, Vanshika. Now, I'd like our judges, Shalini ma'am and Rakhi ma'am, to share how they like the performances by the students.
Shall I speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Respected Reverend Father, Principal Sir, Vinita ma'am, Rachel ma'am. First of all, I would like to thank you all, thanks all the teachers organizing this refreshing event and for inviting me as a judge. I appreciate all the teachers and students taking efforts for making this event memorable. You all performed very well. I congratulate each one of you for showing up and coming forward to participate. Besides studies, these activities are also very important as it refreshes you and prepare you further. All the fillers and anchors showed up amazingly. It was my immense pleasure to be the part of this fest. For me, all the participants are winners as they performed very well. So keep it up and God bless you all. Thank you.
Hope I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Reverend Father, Principal Sir, teachers, Headmistress Ma'am, Vanita Ma'am, teachers, and my dear children. वाह बेटा, इतने बड़े हो गए और इतना अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन, क्या टैलेंट है आप सब में बेटा। मैं कहाँ से शुरू करूँ? कंपेयरिंग से शुरू करूँ, पोएम से शुरू करूँ, और आर्ट, डांस, रियली टू गुड बेटा। सबसे अच्छी चीज ये है कि टैलेंट होना ही सिर्फ अपने में नहीं है, उसमें कंपटीशन स्पिरिट आना बहुत जरूरी है। क्योंकि अगर हमारे अंदर कंपटीशन स्पिरिट होती है ना, तो ही हम अपने टैलेंट को और उभार सकते हैं। तो आई मस्ट से कि अगर आप अपने अंदर कंपटीशन स्पिरिट रखते हैं, तो एक वो बहुत ही टैलेंट को एक पाथ देता है। तो बहुत अच्छा बेटा, और मैं थैंक्स कहना चाहूंगी कि मैं इस इतनी सुंदर इवेंट का पार्ट बनी। क्योंकि अगर आप ऐसे में जजमेंट भी बहुत हमारे लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, क्योंकि आप कैसे जज करो इतने टैलेंटेड बच्चों को। कोई टैलेंट में किसी की कमी नहीं थी। हाँ, ये है कि हमें कहीं ना कहीं जजमेंट करना है, और कोई ना कोई फर्स्ट सेकंड आता है, तो इसीलिए हमें जजमेंट करना जरूरी है। बट इट्स नॉट दैट कि आप में किसी चीज की कमी है। जो थोड़ी बहुत कमी है वो आप लोगों को भी पता होती है, और जैसे कंपटीशन स्पिरिट में ये आप लोग अपने आप को और अच्छा करते हो। तो बेटा हमेशा कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करो। देखो कितने मल्टी टैलेंटेड हो आप सारे। तो और भी बच्चे हैं जो डांस कर सकते थे और भी फॉरवर्ड आ सकते थे, तो हमेशा फॉरवर्ड आओ। स्कूल में आप जरूर आ सकते हो, कॉलेज में यू नेवर नो आपको चांस मिलेगा या नहीं। तो स्कूल आपके पास 2 साल हैं जो स्कूल में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते। So always try to participate. So thank you and all the very best and congratulations to all. Thank you, children.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your spectacular words. Really, all the performances were mind-blowing. So let's not forget to appreciate their talent and further get ourselves motivated by a motivational video.
God doesn't give the hardest battles to his toughest soldiers. He creates the toughest soldiers through life's hardest battles. Here's the 7 characteristics we can learn from the lion. Number 1, lions are a symbol of strength. They are physically and mentally strong. First and foremost, if you want to become a lion, you have to know what your weaknesses are and work on them. But you also have to build on your strengths. No one is perfect and no one has it all. But when you know who you are and know what you're capable of, you will have the strength to withstand great force and pressure in times of challenges, hardship, and difficulties. And guess what? That's how you win in life. Number 2, lions are leaders. Instead of following where the path may lead, go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. Only you know what path to take and what is the best for your life. Have courage and be confident in your walk like a lion and march on into your destiny. Number 3, lions are unique. And it matches the fact that people are also unique. There are 7 billion people in the planet, and not one of them has the same fingerprint. This means you are born unique for a reason. There are things you can do with ease that no one else can do. Don't try to fit in, but stand out and use the gifts you were given. Number 4, lions are always willing to fight. They have an attitude to keep going when things get tough. Everything of value on this planet has a price. So if you want something valuable into your life, you need to go out there and fight for it like a lion. Number 5, lions are brave. They are ready to face and endure danger or pain. The heart of a lion is one that will never be afraid and will always move forward. You have to be willing to take the steps necessary for self-growth, even if it scares you. Always go with the choice that scares you the most, because that's the one that's going to help you grow. Have courage to take action and take control over your life. Number 6, lions are part of a pride. Although lions are leaders and largely loners, they belong to the pride because they are a part of something bigger and work as a team when needed. This means, although you may have the skills and the ability to work alone, always remember that sometimes teaming up with others who have more skills than you and others you can build and grow from is always a good step to take. Always remember, when you're around like-minded people, you can learn from them and they can learn from you. You can become who you surround yourself with. And last but not the least, number 7, the sounds of a lion can be heard 5 miles away. Lions make themselves heard and speak up when they have to. It doesn't matter where you're from or where you're going. Just stand out and be heard, because your contribution matters, and most importantly, you matter. Thanks for watching this video. Share and subscribe.
We feel much charged up after seeing that motivational video. So let's meet after a short break.
Now we would like to call our everyone just after 20 minutes again to join us back. Till that time, you can refreshen up and have a break. Thank you, everyone. Do join us back. Just the timer is going on.